Hello everyone, today I believe I got all the parts for this Subzero fridge controller. I'm just gonna have to check. I'm gonna unpack those packages and see what's inside. So it looks like I got the other day the G5B-1. I have 3 here, and then I'm gonna open the other one, the other package I got. I believe it's those ones. Let me just double check. G5B-1. Yeah, so I'll swap those 3, and actually they sent me 5. I think it was in a package, so I'm going to replace those 3, and I think I got those ones. Let's open the package here and see what's inside. I hope it's the one that I need. So, oh yeah, I think that's the ones. Let me just double check. Yeah, Panasonic, 5 legs, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so I got 2 of them. That's awesome. I can fix this controller today, and the part number is I think. Okay guys, sorry, I was just I got interrupted for a second, but I got 3 relays, those ones, and I got the 2 relays right here. The part number for this one is, actually it says here, 255-1115-ND, and that's for those 2. And I got another one, this guy. So my goal today is to fix this controller, and I hope it's the same one, because this one have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 legs. But let's see if it's, yeah, so that's gonna be this one. The part number is G2R-1A-E. Let's see how many legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, so that's good. So my goal is to basically swap this relay, those 2, and those 3 today, and then I'll send the board in to my customer, and she will have to test it and see if it works. This is my video for today. I got all the parts, and this is for the Subzero controller. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, you can comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you again, and